Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my stainless steel snack containers and I'm gonna show you guys kind of what they look like. I'm excited because I can send my kid with these and I can use them personally when I go to work or something and I wanna bring them with me. So let me show you. So this is what the pack looks like. It comes with 4 of these stainless steel ones and they're nice and they're strong, but you know, they're not heavy or anything like that, which is cool. And so let me open up and take all of them out here. I got 1, 2, 3, and then my 4th here. So that's what they are. And then I like these lids. So it comes with these 4 different lids here of the different colors. And then the cool thing is it has this little pop seal here. So in case it's steaming, whenever you put, well, usually when you put it in, you know, so there we go. So this is, I'll show you exactly what one looks like. Usually when you put it in, if it's steaming or something, you can open this up and then that will let the steam out. But this is super easy. So how it works is it's not like it claws in anywhere, as you can see, but what you do is you just put it on and then just push it around and then boom, there we go, and we're done. So this is super cool. I mean, I like this and this sleek design. I mean, this thing's super easy to put in and it looks aesthetically really cool. So I'll put it all on all of these for you and show you what it looks like. And so I got the green one here. I'm doing the bright yellow one now. And so that's what that looks like. And then I got kind of the white here. And so this is super cool. Look, so this is the pack of them that you get. You get all 4 here, and that's what it looks like. And they're good size too. I mean, it's probably 6 or 7 inches by 3 or so, something like that. So it's a good size. Like you could fill that up with, you know, chicken and rice or whatever you're eating, and that would totally be good. So I like all of these, and I think they're really cool. And you know, this will be perfect for packing my kids' lunch or packing whatever I need. And here we go. So I like it, and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.